Alright guys, welcome to another video with Broz, and today we're showing you how to plasti dip wheels on any car, but we're doing it on the Nissan 350Z, and we're working on getting them all off, and then we're going to set them out in the grass and plasti dip them. We have Ezra here too with us.
How's it going? Yeah, I'm going to be helping out Mike on his car.
He's done some wheels before, so.
I had a little Kia Spectra, and then we plasti dipped all the logos and then the wheels and stuff, so we're just going to do it on this so it'll look nice.
We'll show you when all the wheels are off.
We're going to be cleaning out the wheels right now, so we just washed them up with some water and soap, and then what we're going to do, I'm going to dry them off, and we're going to throw some of this wax and grease remover. So one of our buddies gave it to us because he works on cars and stuff. He said it works really great. This right here, pick it up at Walmart, AutoZone, anywhere. We got plasti dip, and then we'll show you here in a little bit what we got. Some glossifier, so it goes on the top of all the plasti dip, and it makes a nice gloss coat. If you don't want to do that, just throw it on the old plasti dip, and it'll be all matte black. Just stick around to see the end product. We'll show you more here in a little bit.
Currently have the car all on jack stand, just like that. And we got that thing over there. It has a lot of fur, but I don't know. And then
just applying the degreaser right now. You don't need much, just a couple drops on the rag, and then just wipe it everywhere. So if there's any little ridges on here, just get them clean. Nissan decided to put little holes in there for some reason, a bunch of edges. So we're just gonna clean all those out with a Q-tip because you can't really get a rag in there. Just go from wheel to wheel. Make sure you get all the little pieces on here that you want painted. You don't do that. All right, once you got your wheels all cleaned up, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna grab some index cards, and you don't have to specifically grab index cards. If you have an old deck of cards that you don't want, just put them. What you're gonna want to do is just put them around the whole wheel, between the wheel and the tire, around the whole thing like that. Just stack them up, so then you can spray on the inside of it, and the overspray won't get all over your tire.
this is how your wheel should look like before you paint it. This is all prepped, it's all clean. We got cards all the way around it for overspray, and we tape the valve stem up just so, I mean, it's not a huge deal, but just to an extra thing of precaution. And then we're just gonna do each wheel like that. We're about to start getting some coats on these bad boys. This is how it looks after 2 coats.
Light coats though,
not like
thick. You just gotta
do it evenly.
basically just drizzle it on there, so it just got a light. Looks like it's like a faint black. Second's gonna get thicker. Third's gonna get thicker. Fourth is gonna be really thick. And the fifth is just gonna be the nice, clear, perfect black on it. So we're gonna put some glossifier on top of this. So we did 5 coats on it. We did the last 5th coat really thick, so then it gets to all the edges and it actually gets thick. So we're gonna put this right here. Glossifier, it puts like a really nice gloss finish. Protects the plastic too.
Yep. Okay, this is how the wheels look afterwards. They're all done, so there's 5 coats of plasti dip on each wheel. And then
we did about three
coats.
Like really thick. Like I put on some big thick layers of glossifier
At the end.
Especially with the glossifier, like compared to the plasti dip, you gotta be careful. You don't want to do, if you did a heavy coat like I did with the glossifier, crap. Now, it looks still a little bit matte black, but compared to when it was first, before we started putting the glossifier on it, this looks so much better. Like, this just gives it that little extra protection and that little extra glisten in the sun.
We only had 3 cans for all this, 3 cans of regular Plasti Dip and 2 cans of Glossifier. And we didn't even run out of Glossifier, so that's about all you need.
We only used 2 cans.
So all you need is about 2.5 cans. So just get like 3 cans.
So we waited about 20. I mean, it's not all the way geared, obviously. So you want to be careful. This is the only car we have to get around right now, so we're having to put them on. But we're not going to be like. You're just when you put them on, just be careful. Grab them by this. If you have to, grab them by here, but just lift them up really softly. Be careful. I scratched the inside of this when I put the other wheel on. I scratched it on the inside a little bit, but it doesn't really matter because you can't see that.
Yeah.
It just matters on the outside.
You start putting them back on. Leave some nice spots on your grass. So we're gonna start putting these back on. So I'm really happy with the outcome of it. We just finished putting all the tires on, just torqued them and stuff like that, and it just looks super good on the black paint. And especially with the Glossifier, it just adds a really nice shiny glisten to it. So it's a really cheap modification. It only costs about 20 bucks and a little bit of labor, but overall it's well worth it. We'll see how it lasts. Thanks for watching this video with us, Forest Bros. Let us know in the comment section if you want to see more modifications like this, or let us know if it helped you out. And smash the subscribe button to see more epic content like this. We're going to be doing a lot more content.